In case you missed it, June's gear drop just made your life easier. 12 new pieces of kit, some for the belt, some for the shelf, and some that just solved annoying problems. Let's see what we got. Starting off with the Moerman 5-in-1 kit. This is perfect for window cleaners that are looking for a little bit of everything. It includes a 14-inch stainless steel channel and an ergonomic handle. It also comes with a replacement rubber. The T-bar is paired with the Moerman Naveo sleeve, and it comes with this compact pocket scraper and a microfiber cloth. And while we're on Moerman, they also dropped the new bucket organizer to keep your gear right where it should be. And it wraps around any 5 or 6 gallon bucket. And it fits the 5-in-1 kit perfectly. And if you need something with a little more bite, Richie Blue just dropped the Maykker Walnut sleeve complete.
I'm just a little guy, man.
Unlike traditional pad holders, the Walnut pad mounts directly onto the T-bar, giving you a tighter and more concentrated scrubbing power. That means less surface area, but way more pressure, so it cuts through grime quicker. And if you need to stock up, grab another 5-pack of the Maykker Walnut sleeves and keep moving. Same material and sizes to fit whatever handy sleeve you're running. Now, let's talk about one for the collectors. We just dropped the limited edition WCR carbon fiber squeegee. It's super lightweight, made from 100% carbon fiber, and it comes with a Sorbo rubber and a 12-inch fixed channel. And to top everything off, we added a Qleen WCR logo right onto your squeegee. Next up, the nice swivel pad holder. It has a swivel head that adds control where you need it. It mounts to any Acme threaded pole tip and works with just about every scrub pad in the game. You'll want to get your hands on these 5 new sticker designs. We've got the American, chocolate, glass, gold, and dirty hippie stickers. These will stick with you every step of the way. And over to scrapers, Nice just dropped the 12-pack of plastic scraper blades. They're safe on glass and great for spot work, where a razor blade isn't worth the risk. And if you need more safe scraping options, the 100-pack of Nice plastic razor blades is designed for delicate glass. These notched, non-metal blades fit standard 1.5-inch holders and give you a safer way to scrape glass without risking scratches. And for our solar pros out there, Qleen solar brushes now work with XERO solar poles, thanks to this new adapter. It slides into the 4th section of XERO solar poles and gives you a solid connection to run Qleen on your XERO setup. And here's something nice for those nooks and crannies. This is the Nice TrackVac. It's a powerful handheld vacuum with 3 precision heads to agitate and annihilate 30 window tracks. It's rechargeable with USB-C, and it's bound to speed up your workflow. That summer heat is no joke. The WCR Cooling Towel is built for those brutal days. Soak it, wring it, snap it, and feel that chill kick in like instant AC. It's anti-UV and antibacterial. This one's a smart add to your summer kit. And that's your June lineup. 12 new tools, accessories, and upgrades built for people who actually do this for a living. Everything's live now at windowcleaner.com.